So here Pete's having to remove some of the aluminum cladding because we're going in right now. It's a sliding door, and so sometimes the here, can I see that? So you can see here's the cladding. It's custom bent and fabricated and cut to kind of fit the brick mold profile. Here are the different pieces. This is a frame piece. These are the brick mold pieces. So again, this is the door, the operable panel removed. This half panel here with the pet door is fixed, and we're going to be putting it in here where there's a sliding door. So Pete was saying a lot of times if you're going sliding door to a hinged door, sometimes you need to make a few alterations to the brick mold or something to get everything to fit right. Okay, so here we have the finished door install. So this is a ProVia Legacy 20 gauge steel door. It's got the half view glass here, full view glass over here, both of them blinds between the glass. And then we've got the factory installed Freedom pet door. This is the medium pet door size, the smallest size that ProVia offers for their factory installed pet doors. They say, or the manufacturer says, that the pet door, the medium-sized pet door, is good for dogs up to 50 pounds. And so that's that. It's has this just kind of rubber flap here that's magnetic on the bottom, has a magnetic catch on the bottom. So again, that's factory installed. So this door is in the cafe cream color. So cafe cream interior and exterior, and the cladding, it's got the textured cladding right here in the same cafe cream color, so color matched. This panel here, the half view panel, is actually fixed. It doesn't open. So this panel here on the right is the only operable panel. You can get this in a active passive configuration or something like that if you want, but this customer, that wasn't really a big deal for her, so she's fine with just one active door. So there you go. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, these have the blinds between the glass in both of the insulated glass units. We'll go inside and check out the operation. Okay, so to operate the blinds, you have this little slide mechanism here. You can see when I close them, the brightness adjusts on the camera. You just kind of move it slightly to raise and lower the blinds, or tilt them, and then you know, keep moving the slider, and blinds will open. So there they are, fully opened. On this panel, we'll open these over here too. And there's both blinds open. And so these blinds have the cream color. And we'll get a shot of the blinds from the exterior. Okay, so these blinds have the cream color. So up until recently, we didn't have any color options. I'd say within the past year or so, I believe. There's only one color option for the blind, and it was like a kind of an off-white. Now there are multiple color options for the blinds between the glass. This is the cream color, which is a nice complementary color to the cafe cream door color. So that's the door, that's the blinds closed. To just kind of give you an idea of the what the blinds look like with the color when they're closed. All right, so that covers it for this door. If you liked the video, please give us a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching.